In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password using your iPhone. If this helps, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then select your profile picture at the bottom right. Then you will go ahead and tap on the three lines that you see at the top right corner, and then tap on Account Center. Now here, under Account Settings, go ahead and select Password and Security, then Change Password. Here you will select your account. And now, in order to change your password, you do have to input your old password and then create your new one. Remember that your password needs to be at least 6 characters, and you should include numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you do that, simply tap on Change Password, and that's it. Now you have a new password for Instagram. I hope this video helped you.